Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto, and today we're going to continue on the Chainz arena here, giving you guys a guide. The one thing I want to talk about over here is this little button right here. You can upgrade and refine it. It's called Crystallization. You can upgrade it, obviously, and you're going to get a random buff every time you upgrade it. However, if you do not like the stats that this thing is giving you, you can refine it. It costs you 1 ticket or 1 MOBOX to do that, and it will get completely random stats over here. However, I do like mine that I have. I want to show you guys, if I go back here, one that I actually want to upgrade right now. Let's say this one right here. I'm clicking on upgrade. It's going to show you it costs these two things. The left side is soul and the right side is arena tokens. You get these arena tokens by doing a normal arena or crystal orb arena, if I'm not mistaken, or royal arena is what it's called. So going back to euros, just want to show you guys, click on upgrade. So you can see at the moment it's giving healing effects, HP, and leeching. Leeching is terrible, right? Leeching is lifesteal. That is pretty terrible for a healer. Increased healing effects is also not that great. Not that bad either. So I'm going to upgrade a little bit and see what is the next stat we are going to receive. You can see it costs quite a lot of spirit. So if you want to min-max this, you can obviously go to the island, Soul Island. I'll show you guys right now. We're getting a random stat, which is breakthrough. You can go over here to Soul Island, which is the previous video we made, or Island Brawl. And then you can get some spirit over here, which is what I've done. So going back to this, for example, I do want to refine it. These are stats that is not great for this character. Hopefully we get something good. If I click on refine right now, it will cost 1 voucher or 1 MOBOX. Accepting that. Enhanced damage, leeching, reflect damage. Enhanced damage, it will actually be enhancing my heal as well. So this is actually pretty good, even though we still have leeching, which is not that great. But I want to show you guys a very good one that I have, which is this character right here. So if I click on refine, you can see attack plus 360, which is really good. Enhanced damage 3.6% and armor penetration. This is like the perfect stats you can get on the character. I also want to actually go up here into my other damage dealer because it's just giving flat attack for now, which is really good. But obviously you can get better stuff. So yeah, this is Crystallization in a nutshell. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. You only unlock this once your character is level 40, and it has to be an epic character, if I'm not mistaken, or legendary. Anything below that, I don't know. I don't think you even get that. But it's a very useful stat. Just make sure that you are refining. If there is terrible stats on your character, you can just refine it for something a lot better. For example, attack on this guy is not great, but healing effects is. On a tank is really good. So just want to keep that in mind for you guys. Hopefully within the next video we can get a little bit through Evolve, but we'll see what happens. Because I do have 300 mech right now saved up. So we can get that maybe sorted within the next video. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Love you guys, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Take care, bye-bye.